Oh my God. That's why you got, you know, your minions to go out and find it for you.
Welcome to the Goodwill outlet. Everything here is priced by its weight, $1.99 per pound. They rotate the belts every hour with new things to look through. Who knows, you might just find me.
Frosty! What the hell is Mystery Ranch? I don't know. Well, what are you doing here? You're early. Up and at 'em. You missed everybody yesterday.
Everybody?
Eric, Mike, Steve too, Bryce.
It was the casino yesterday.
Did you win big? No, I never win at the casino. That's why I don't go anymore. Dang. There's the rest of it. It's kind of cool. Kind of like it. Apricot lamb. Been having good luck with lambs lately.
What?
God, I haven't sold one of these in a long time. It's still gonna be a while.
My name is Jeff.
Kiss me, I'm horny.
Hey, give us a like or a sub.
It's a cool little group. Got the mushrooms.
How long have you been here?
Probably about 20 minutes now. Yo, that's kind of cool. It's got the X-Files theme on there. What is that? Oh, that might be good. That's for like hearing aids. This glove. These things get caught on everything today. Never seen one with a dimple. The dimples. And the lamb lug stops right there. It was like $3. Somebody $24.95 free shipping. I might hold on to it. It's in pretty good condition. There's none listed, I don't think. So. Nice. Nice. Feels good, looks good. Dimply. This is probably not worth anything, but I'm probably gonna get it for the collection. $16.99 plus shipping. I was wrong. It is worth something. Let's look this up. See, 60. So they want 65. Oh yeah. Probably just needs a little cleaning. But yeah. Oh my God. Well, that went from great to terrible. Damn it. This is why you always check the cord on everything here. You know, it probably still works, but I'm not going to be responsible for somebody burning their house down or something. There we go.
That's okay. You snuck in, didn't even say hi to me.
You look like you were really concentrating on that phone, so I didn't want to bug you.
Oh, was I picking my nose at the time?
I think so.
Okay.
Yeah.
I got something for you.
What? You do?
I don't think it's anything. It's a remote control.
Well, you never know with
That's
those.
it, exactly. That's why I got it.
Could be good, could be bad.
Since you're here, I'll just put it in your car.
Okay. You didn't want the electrical tape?
I'm sorry. No. By the way,
Oh. I want this. Where that tape at? Where that tape? What we got back here hanging out? Tony Bennett. Whoa, that's pretty sick. Is it in there? I'm getting that. What we got here? Killer Party.
Boobies.
There it is. Oh, let's go. It's probably good. I think that's the same company that did the other one. Right? I like that. Look at that skull. That's cool. Really cool art on that. Look at this yet?
I've seen it all. It's tragic.
You've seen it all. I bet if you look hard enough, you'll find something you didn't see.
Oh, absolutely. No question about that.
I've seen you go up and down the aisle 4 times and still miss brass.
Yes,
So,
you're right. You don't have to rub it in, though.
yeah, that's why you got, you know, your minions to go out and find it for you. You've got people finding brass for you I didn't even know you talked to. What do you think the percentage of your brass do you think you found by yourself?
Seriously?
Yeah.
I would say 25 to 30%.
Whew, man. Oh, it's because you're out in your van all day. This is something wicked. What's this guy? Pooch Patrol? What the hell is this? How did I miss this? This is awesome. Let's see if he's worth anything. He's in good condition too. Pooch Patrol. Let's see if anybody's actually sold one. $15.99. $14.99. Well, that's the same one, right? Yeah. I don't know. I'm gonna save them. Well, ouch. I don't know if I need another mic. Meg. Big socks. Kind of cool. Slinky. Is that a glow-in-the-dark red? Jennifer Tilly. Interesting. It's empty. Look at this. I mean, this probably isn't worth anything, right? What's the year on this? It's newer. How do you open it?
The name is Dumas.
Dino Nugget plush. It's a cool bottle opener.
Damn, I thought that was a damn zebra.
Made in Japan. Oh, look at him. He's cool. Look at him. Spider John. Look at him. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Oh my gosh.
I'm good. How are you?
This is kind of cool. Just go here. It's a jelly cat. What is that? I don't know what that is. Big bug. Oh shit. That's kind of cool. What is that? I had to pluck it. Is it in here? It is. Road rash, baby. Looks clean. Box has seen better days. Factory sealed 90. New other 39. With poster 40. Complete with poster 25. It's worth a grab. I'll grab it. Garmin E-Trex Legend Blue. Not much. But it's probably about 20. This looks good. Interface. Okay. Just another. Hey man. What we got? All right. Thank you.
You ever use these cups
No.
in a non-spill cup or non-fall cup? Dude, I think it's coming. I got one of those at home and it's actually pretty cool.
Fell over.
I know, but here's what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, you need those, Scott.
No.
Look cool in those. I'm gonna have to run out.
You leaving?
Yeah.
Was that the remote control in there?
No, it's like $5. Thanks for trying though. See you Monday.
Yeah, okay, you're leaving for the day then.
Yeah, I'm gonna go watch my daughter do this thing at school, and
I'm
then.
sticking around till 3 when I have lunch on the south side.
Oh man.
Have a good weekend.
Well, look,
Yeah.
look. Alright, I gotta go.
One eternity later.
All right, I had a busy afternoon, so I had to run out of the outlet really fast at the end there. We ended up spending $12.78, and I got a couple good things. I wish that the hearing aid charger would have worked out, because that would have been an easy $50. But I'm going to go over just a few things real quick, and we're going to get out of here. As far as personal finds, the Clerk soundtrack was a pretty cool find, and it's worth probably about $10-12. I'm going to put a new case on it and keep it in my collection because I don't own this one. I did want to mention this little made in Japan Santa that I got. This is a nice little vintage boy. I might keep him, I might sell him. I don't know what I'm going to do with him yet. Haven't looked him up. I don't know what his value is, but look at him twirling about here. Pretty cool. He's got a little wear, a little damage, but definitely worth picking up. He doesn't weigh anything. And then for some nice profitable items, we're going to start off with the Complete in Box Road Rash for Windows PC. This box is not in the best condition. Sun fading, all that kind of stuff. Crunched, but probably $25-30 for this. Picked up that little Garmin handheld. I sold one which was newer, but I ended up getting like $60 or $80 for it, but this one's only worth like $20-25. So not a bad little find. Then the find of the day today is kind of boring, but it is the Bose module for the Cinemate Series 2. Cinemate? Is it Cinemate? Cinemate? I don't know. Cinemate Series 2. But this thing goes for like $30-40. Not very exciting, but it'll bring a little profit, and that's what we're after. All right, and that's all I got for you guys today. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching, liking, commenting, hyping, sharing, all the things you guys do for me. I appreciate y'all so much. And until next time, stay safe, take care, and keep the thrift alive.
Okay.